magic of right timing. Yan ang pinatunayan ni Carla Abellana as she gives love a second chance. At kahit 20 years in the making ang love story nila ng kanyang first love from high school, worth it naman dahil nauwi ito sa kasalan. Ang snippets ng kanilang magical wedding, ichichika ni Aubrey Carampel.
After all the heartaches,
Have you forgotten?
No, medyo ano pa po eh. I mean, you know, it doesn't just leave your head, your heart even the body
halos
po eh.
isarado na ni Carla Abellana ang kanyang puso dahil sa pinagdaanan sa larangan ng pag-ibig.
So I really honestly don't see myself for getting married again.
Pero sabi nga nila, everyone deserves a second chance in love. Kahit si Carla. 3 months ago lang nang aminin ng aktres na may nagpapasaya sa puso niya.
I've been actually seeing him. Pero matagal ko na po yan siyang kilala.
At humabol pa nga sa 2025 ang biggest plot twist ni Carla as she walks down the aisle. Ang sinasabi niyang matagal nang kilala, ang kanya palang first love na si Reginald Santos.
I once read that a great love story is when two people let go of one another, only to eventually find their way back to each other.
Full circle moment nga raw ito para sa couple na minsang nagkahiwalay at muling nagtagpo.
I can still vividly remember. We were in high school. We were young back then. We fell in love, and then life had interim plans for us.
20 years man in the making, pero sinong mag-aakala na sa altar din pala ang magiging reunion nila.
We reconnected at the perfect time. We are now the best versions of ourselves.
Sa isang punto sa kasal, naging emotional pa ang aktres sa kanyang wedding vows.
Thank you, Lord, most importantly for now giving me the clearest answer to all my painful whys.
Napuno ng pagmamahal ang kasal ni Carla kasama ang ilang pamilya at kaibigan. Glowing din siya in her Rosa Clara wedding gown. Sa kanyang IG post, ilang kapuso stars din ang nagpaabot ng kanilang congratulatory messages. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Aubrey Carampel, updated sa showbiz happenings.